Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, wherever you are. Warm greetings from YUS. Okay, first we give permission to Mem Desi Dwi Cahyani MPD to explain or present the results of our discussion, which will discuss one of the social media, namely Twitter. Therefore, allow us first to introduce the members of our group, which consists of myself, Mailan Sri Desfitra as the moderator and first speaker. Then Armina Khairia as the second speaker, Berkat Zandrato as the third speaker, and Haikal Baihaki as the fourth or final speaker. Enjoy listening and I hope you understand. Okay, Mailan Sri Desfitra. I will explain the background and features of Twitter. First, background. Twitter is a site operated by Twitter, founded by Evan Williams, Jack Dorsey, Christopher Biston, and Noah Glass in March 2006. The microblog-based social network allows users to send and read messages like blogs in general. The messages called tweets are written text as many as 280 characters are displayed on the user's profile page. Twitter is a social networking site that is growing rapidly currently because users can interact with other users from their computer or mobile device from anywhere and at any time. Twitter, renamed X since July 2023, is an online social media and social networking service operated by the American company X Corp. The successors to Twitter. On Twitter, registered users can post text, images, and videos. Next, regarding the features on Twitter. This feature is tweet, share short messages of up to 280 characters. Next, retweet, forward someone else's tweet to your followers. And then like. Mark a tweet as a favorite by giving it a like. Next, reply. Respond to a tweet with a comment. Next, hashtags. Using hashtags to unite tweets regarding a specific topic. Next, mentions. Tag other Twitter users in your tweets. Next, follow. Follow an account to see their tweets on the homepage. And then direct messages or DM. Send direct message to other users. Next, list. Group accounts into lists for easier monitoring. Next, explore. Explore popular topics, news, and trends. Next, bookmarks. Save tweets to read later. And then notifications. Receive notifications about activities such as mentions, retweets, or likes. Next, Twitter Spaces. Voice chat rooms to communicate with your followers. Next, fleets. Messages that disappear after 24 hours. Next, polls. Create polls for your followers. Next, media attachments. Photos, videos, or GIF to tweets. Next, Twitter Moments is collects related tweets in a story. These are some of the features that can be found on Twitter. Okay, then the next explanation will be given by Armina. Armina is welcome.
According to the We Are Social Report, Indonesia is in fourth place with the most Twitter users in the world, with the number of users reaching 25 million users as of July 2023. Twitter users have increased by 71% from before. The bird logo was created by Simon Oxley, who is a graphic designer from England. The reason Simon Oxley created the bird logo was because he had an interest in birds and was also inspired by the Boston Celtic legend named Larry Bird. Twitter announced that it would change its logo from the iconic bluebird to the letter X. This logo change was made by Twitter's new CEO Elon Musk after Elon Musk's book sharing 2022. Musk said that this logo change was made to make Twitter more simple and easy to use. He also said that the new logo better reflects Twitter's values, namely openness, honesty, and transparency. Twitter's new logo is the letter X. The letter X was chosen because it is a symbol of crossroads. Mark said that this logo symbolizes Twitter's passion for connecting people from all over the world and helping them find the information they need.
Okay, before I explain, let me introduce my name is Berkat Cendrato. Okay, in the Twitter application, there are definitely positive and negatives. We is that because all applications currently have an text and disaffects. Well, here in the Twitter section, there is a negative section, namely the first one. One spreads of false information. Spread of false information. In he explanation the hoax is information that is fabricated to cover up real information or can also be interpreted as an aspect to distort facts using information that is confusing but cannot be verified. 2. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the using of information and communication technology for intentional planet harassment and hostile activities carried out repeatedly and structured in a potentially harmful manner. 3. Opinion polarization. Polarization is a method used to attract or attention as social media users. This means that we are influenced by the sophistication of social media. 4. Inequality of use and access. The inequality expression can be some people in accessing and using digital technology resolution in these people having difficulty using digital technology or digital technology suffering. 5. Mental disorders. Mental disability is a description in the function of thinking, emotions, and behaviors, including psychosocial for experienced schizophrenia, bipolar depression, anxiety, personality disorders, developmental disabilities that affect social interaction abilities, for explain autism and hyperactivity. 6. User preface. Well, in this section, private is something that cannot be seen by the public but can only be seen by followers on Twitter. 7. Opinion manipulations. That opinion is an idea or talks to explain certain preferences or tendencies toward ideologies and perspectives that are not objective. Opinions are responses to stimuli that are structured toward personal interpretation. Well, here into the Twitter section, there is a positive section, namely the first one, adding friends. Adding friends. In this section, we can have friends remotely be adding friends on Twitter to get the latest and most up-to-date information. That it is why we can find out what is happening in the world, be it old news or current news. This section is very important because we can fit on out more factual information. 3. Can fit out fringe activities. That in this section we can see what of friends activities are on social media on Twitter. The way to see it is on the public veranda. 4. Twitter can also be a place for business. Twitter social media gives you that ability to reach customers anywhere, anytime, build brand awareness, and build connection with customers. So, if you want to build a successful business, make sure you make the best use of social media. 5. Express fame and popularity on Twitter network media. That this is part of who we are famous on Twitter social media. To make us popular, we have you to create content that is useful for everyone on social media and this can also invest followers. 6. Maintain relationships with news friends. That of course when we are friends on social media we have to maintain our attitude on social media so that we don't insult others on social media. Thank you.
Okay, Haikal by Haki. Twitter Home has several benefits, including 1. Latest information, 2. Social interaction, 3. Network development, 4. Content promotion, 5. Monitor trends. The comments column. The comments column on Twitter allows users to provide responses or comments to a tweet. This allows for further interaction between users and allows for more in-depth discussion about specific tweets. Twitter is a social media platform that allows users to share thoughts, information, and interact in short message format. Despite being an important place for news and discussion, Twitter also has its challenges with disinformation and toxicity.
Okay, that was the explanation of the results of our discussion. Thank you very much to the listeners who were willing to listen until the end. We apologize if there were any mistakes that we might not have realized because we are still in the learning process. That's all from you. Enjoy your life. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.